I hope you are fit and fine. My name is Harman from 10th standard in Government High School, Kamalpur. Today is my topic on idiom. My idiom is in a seventh heaven, meaning extremely happy. Now use this idiom in sentences. So, she was in a seventh heaven when they praised her cooking. Thanks, have a nice day.
Respected teacher and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Singh, student of 8th standard from Government High School, Kamalpur. Today I am going to do an activity that's fun with idioms. My idiom of today is have a whale of a time. Its meaning is let's enjoy yourself very much. Now let's frame sentences. We were having a whale of a time. Let's dancing and drinking. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Friends, my name is Manpreet Kaur, student of +1 class of Government Senior Secondary School, Kamalpur. Today, we are going to do an activity. Let's have fun with idiom. My idiom is on the top of the world. Its meaning is proud of something. Now let's frame sentences. When I heard the news, I was top of the world. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, I'm Navdisha, student of 9th grade at Government High School, Kamalpur. My idiom for today is more fun than the burial of monkeys. Here its meaning a very good time and pleasant occasion. Now frame it into sentence. The circus was more fun than the burial of monkeys. Thanks, have a good day.
Hello everybody, I am Navjot, student of 9th class from Government High School, Kamalpur. Today we are going to do an activity. Let's have fun with idioms on top of the world. Its meaning, proud of something. Now let's frame sentence. When I heard the good news, I was on top of the world. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Manthan Bhagwat, student of class 9. My idiom of today is on a cloud 9, meaning very happy and excited. Now let's use this idiom in sentence. I was on a cloud 9 when I was selected in school cricket team. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everybody, I am Smith, student of 5th class. My idiom for today is make someone day. Means to make someone feel very happy. Now frame it into the sentence. Her smile made my day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Musli, student of 9th class from Government High School, Kamalpur. Today I am going to the activity Let's Have Fun with Idioms, and my idiom is be a barrel of laughs. It's meant to be fun, funny and pleasant. Let's explain sentence. I always have so much fun when Katie is around. She's a barrel of laughs. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I'm Mehakpreet Kaur, student of 9th standard from GHS Kamalpur. Today we are performing a very interesting activity, that is, let's have fun with idioms. And my idiom is have a ball. To have a very enjoyable time. Example, the kid had a ball at the birthday party and they would not stop talking about it. Thank you.